Hi, this is Mike. I'm not a certified mechanic, but I'm repairing my Sealand 510 Plus toilet, and you can tell that by once you pull off this black plastic, this white cover, you can see what model number it is right there. And you go get the parts that you need. I recommend getting Dometic parts. Dometic bought Sealand, by the way. Our problem was not like anybody else's I saw on YouTube. That's why I thought I would do this YouTube. And our problem was that the pedal would not come back up. It stayed on the floor. You had to bring it back up manually. So I looked on YouTube. I looked everywhere. I couldn't see the repair job for it. Anyways, I went and bought the spring cartridge. I also bought the pump because, well, you're going to have to take the pump off. Ours is 17 years old. Here's our old pump. Yeah, it has the brass on the bottom. Maybe it's perfectly fine, but I'm going to go ahead and replace it. But my point of my video is that you can actually replace this spring cartridge without having to take the bowl off and everything. And I didn't know that. I didn't see that. So the way you do it is you pop off the valve right here that was on there. These two, there's two hoses on there. There's two screws. You pop those out. Very easy job. Then this had one screw in it, in the spring cartridge. And I removed it. And then this thing just pops off. You see that? There's the spring cartridge, brand new one. Okay, and this white piece right there goes to the half ball. Anyways, I'm gonna put this on right here, and the pedal's gonna be up. The ball, half ball cock, is gonna be closed, and then when I go and push this down, it'll open the chute there. So I'm gonna put it all back together, and that's my video. I'm just going to pop those in there, and then this is going to go back on there, and it's going to work like a champ.